Hi children, these are some computer parts and their names. Monitor, UPS, keyboard, mouse, printer and CPU. Listen to what they say. I look like a typewriter. I have a set of keys. I am called the keyboard. I look like a TV, but I am not a TV. I am called the monitor. I have a screen. I show information on the screen. I am the brain of computer. I control the computer. I am called the CPU. I am small. I am always on the move. I charge for things. I am called the mouse. Thanks for watching.